Hello amazing people, welcome to my YouTube channel The Colorful Me. It's me Rangoli Wag, and for today's video I'm going to share a festive glow up with you guys. So this is a teenager special video. So I'm currently making a lot of teenager special videos. So I hope you all are enjoying such videos, and I love making such videos as well. So I have a different background today, and that is because of the festival season. So I want to make something different out of this plain white boring background. So I've added some lights. So do tell me in comment section how it is looking, and without any further ado, let's get started. So we will start with cleaning our face. So first I will use this soft sponge. So this is basically used to remove your makeup, but you can also use it if you have like dirt and all oily skin, or you feeling like to clean your face, you can simply use this one. So first I will use this one, then we'll do our cleansing. And like this specific product removes makeup magically, but use your micellar water, but I'm using normal water to clean because I don't have any makeup, but still I want to get rid of those sebum. Like I have a lot of oil, I have oily skin, oily to combination skin, so I have like lot of oil here, as you can see, and over here also I have a lot of like pimples and acne going on over here. My forehead my forehead is like totally a mess looking on my face, mess on my face. Wow. Let's just clean our face rather than talking too much. And now we are going to do our first step, that is cleansing. And for that I am using this Wow Skin Science apple cider vinegar face wash. So you can use your own products and which suits to your skin. Every product I am using is one of my favorite product, and I love using them. So let's use this face wash. This is a foaming face wash. All you have to do is shake it well and also keep this thing in your mind to clean your hands properly before using any face wash. So now I'll quickly go and I'll wash it off. So now our second step is to take steam. So let's do it. So this is how my face looks like after taking the steam. And I will clean my face to remove all the dirt and impurities. I'll remove out with this sponge. And I'm using this Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub to scrub my face. So now I will exfoliate my face. So I'll scrub my face. If you have an acne prone skin and really bad issue of redness and everything, you should definitely skip scrub. But today I am going to use it just to show you guys how I do it. So I'll do it just here and here. I don't have acne issue over here, so I'll do my scrubbing here only. So after scrubbing, I have also used this. So I'm using this again and again because I'm cleaning it again and again. So if you have this, or if you have any microfiber cloth, make sure you clean it to use it again and again like me. So our third step, like our fourth step will follow, is shaving. So a lot of you guys keep on asking me how you shave your face, how you give shape to your eyebrows and all the thing. So I'll cover each and every single thing in this specific video only. So let's see how I shave my face. So to shave my face, I'm going to use this Alina Naturals aloe vera gel and this razor from Twinkle. So make sure you have cleaned your razor properly before using it. So now I will apply my aloe vera gel. And now I'll stretch my skin like this. And in downwards motion, I'll place this razor. And make sure you don't remove your this hairs josh mein, because then you're going to look so much different and you'll regret it. So we'll keep it like this and I'll shave my face. So these are all the hairs. So in the end, I am not going to show that gross thing, how much hairs I have got out of my face. So I thought let's show it now only. So now we'll shape our eyebrows. I've did my shaving almost 10 to 15 days before, so I can't really show you lot of hair out of my face, because as I said before that I have did it before 15 to 20 days. So that's the reason you can't see a lot of hair growth and a lot of hairs coming out of my face, but I can definitely show you how I can shape my brows. So use your razor properly when you are removing hairs from here. I have become like pro to do remove hairs from here. That's why my eyebrows are always in shape and looks good, but you have to be careful, you can get cuts. It looks easy, but it isn't that easy. And if you have like this points in your eyebrows, please keep in mind don't to shave over here, otherwise your face will look really different. So now once you are done shaving your face, once you are done, you can do icing so that your skin will feel really cool and you will feel good, simply good, because I love doing that once I'm done shaving my face. And let's do our icing. So I basically do it like this with my hands. I don't cover it with any kind of cloth because I'm used to it. But if you're not used to it and it's something new for you, please don't do it, use a cloth. And let's just ice our face. So for my face pack, I'm using this Multani Mitti. And make sure if you are shaving your face, don't use face packs which has lemon or lemon extracts or orange extracts, so that can harm your skin or you might feel irritated, irritation on your skin. So here's our pack. I love the fragrance of Multani Mitti. I feel like eating it. It maybe sound gross for many people, but I really love the fragrance. So I don't know why it looks like a little pista color kind of thing, so it's okay. So I have to take a long break to get it dry, then I'll come back and I'll show you guys once it is dry. So now I have let this dry properly. It is over dried, I think so. So I'll wash it quickly and I'll be right back. So I am back. I have washed my face and I can see a glow on my face. If you can see, you can notice it. So let's follow our next step. And that is to use a toner, and I am using this green tea Good Vibes toner. And now I will use my face serum, and for that I am using this L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. And now for my under eye cream, I'll use under eye cream, and I'm using this Elements Wellness under eye cream. And now I'm going to use my face moisturizer, and I'm using this Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar face moisturizer. And then our last step is our sunscreen, and I would have used this Lotus sunscreen, but I'm not going out anywhere, and it isn't necessary that if you are going out then only you have to apply sunscreen. You can use it on daily basis in the morning, but it's not morning now, so I don't want to use it. So our last step is our lip balm, and moisturizing your lips is so important, and for that I'm using this Dot & Key lip balm. So you can use it in the morning, or whenever you want to use it. You can use it as a lip balm, and also at night you can use it as a sleeping mask. So yes. So I think that's pretty much of it. These are the only steps you can follow for your festive glow up. So if you want a quick glow up, you can follow all the steps, and you can also do this in a month, once a month, if you are a teenager and you will love pampering your skin. I love pampering my skin, that's why and I am loving the way my skin is looking now. So you can try these steps and you can tell me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID right here, so please do follow me on Instagram as well. So yes, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and also click the bell icon to never ever miss any future update from me. And happy Diwali to you and your families. Love you guys. I'll see you next video. Bye.